Hello everyone, welcome to part 83 of 100 Ways to Motivate Yourself. I am Walt, here we are with our 83rd principle in this series. And once again, we have another interesting motivational principle here. I would say it's very fun. I would say this one's also pretty useful. And this one is to go on a news fast. Now, a lot of people continue to watch the news, and this is the case more than ever, that it's a good time to stop, okay? Because a lot of news has become extremely polarized. Now, people figured out through data testing and studies that a lot of people pay more attention to the news when there are disasters. So a lot of news organizations tend to try to create disasters every single day. Oh no, this person did this, they said this, and they blow it up as in like it's gonna be the end of the world, so they get more people to watch. But in response to this, when this happens, a lot of people end up with a fearful mindset. They become more pessimistic, their performance is down, their optimism's down, and this is just bad for the economy, bad for their happiness, bad for the entire world, okay? We do not want to put people in a state of fear just to make money. So the news organizations really need to learn that, and there should be some better incentives away from making people's minds all like a toxic soup, okay? Yet some news networks are going to push this, and it can be horrible. So the idea here is stop watching the news, stop reading the news, except for things that are going to be non-biased, that are going to be easygoing. Some business news can be just very straightforward about what's a good, thing to do here, what stocks to buy, if you want these bonds or CDs, or what you want to do with this currency, or, cryptos, whatever the case. A lot of business news can be like that and can be a lot more non-biased. Now, some of it will be extremely biased and stuff like that, so you don't really want that. You just want to get information. Some news organizations can be great for this, but a lot of them tend to try to sell fear. So the ones that sell fear, cut those out of your life as much as possible. Go on a news fast and you'll find yourself more motivated and much happier, because happy people achieve far more than unhappy people do, even if they're not as smart as them. Anyway, that's about it for our 83rd principle. I'm Walt. I'll see you guys next time with our 84th principle. So stay tuned. I'll see you then.